So the place we're going to right now is someplace I'm really excited about. It's called C.W. Chris Chicken and Fish, and it's in South LA. Now, South LA is a huge part of Los Angeles. It's like 50 square miles, which is bigger than Manhattan. It's a lot bigger than Manhattan. It's a neighborhood that's seen some hard times economically. People don't want to come down here because they, maybe they're scared or maybe they think it had a bad reputation or something like that. But it's not true and it's not deserved. And there's a lot of great places and great businesses like this, like C.W. Chris. It's a father-son business owned by C.W. Player, which is maybe the best name I've ever heard in my life, C.W. Player, and his son, Chris Player. They're a father-son team. They started this business together. They do fried chicken, they do fried fish, they do potato salad, coleslaw, and all the fixings. Could I get a C.W. Chris special?
Okay, your 2 sides?
Potato salad and coleslaw.
Okay.
And then could I get some, I want to try some catfish, fried oysters. And then could I also get a few of the honey barbecue wings?
Okay.
How long has this place been around?
We've been there for 23 years.
Wow.
We opened up a week before the LA riots.
I think,
Yeah.
seriously?
Yes, we opened up on Wednesday. The following Wednesday was a riot.
In 92?
92.
Wow.
Yeah.
What was that like?
It was weird. It was really strange. I mean, because we were open during the riot, and then they started, just driving the cars up and down the street, and then blowing the horns, and next thing you know, they were looting, terrorizing.
Did they get in here?
No, they didn't.
That's really lucky.
Yeah. It is. It was very lucky.
I mean, was this something that was passed on to you, or is it something you kind of developed yourself, or how did it happen?
Honestly, my dad taught me how to cook. Actually taught me and my niece, all of us how to, fried chicken and fish.
And where's he from?
He's from Louisiana.
He's from Louisiana. Oh, wow.
Louisiana. And now, I don't know what we're doing right for it not to be greasy, our taste of grease or whatever. I don't know what we're doing right, but it's right.
Number 97?
That's. Thank you. I'm here with my new friends. I'm sorry. And what's your name again?
Gia.
Gia and Kelsey. Well, tell me, why do you come here?
Well, of course the food. I come because it always tastes fresh, tastes made to order. And then, what really beats shrimp and catfish? It's one of the best combos.
I think you gotta do hot sauce in the tartar sauce, right?
Yeah.
I think you gotta mix that up. So these are fried oysters. So now we all got a fried oyster. Here, I'm gonna dip it in. You wanna dip in the sauce? And then we'll cheers. We'll cheers and then we'll eat it. All right? 1, 2, 3. Cheers. It's so good. Consider the fried oyster.
It's not bad. I would eat it again.
Look at this beautifully fried little drumstick. Golden brown, really hot. I'm just gonna eat it. It's amazing. I am so full right now. I feel like I'm about to explode. I am full of fried chicken and fried catfish and shrimp and oysters and potato salad and coleslaw. And I feel like I'm gonna go hibernate for 8 months, but I'm super happy because this place, C.W. Chris, in the heart of South LA, it's one of my absolute favorite places in the city to get fried chicken and fish.